Welcome back. Yes, colour, form, line might be part of an abstract painting. Well, David, oh, I can smell something cooking. Can you? It's absolutely delicious. Well, I think it's coming from your side of the studio.
Well, you clearly have a sweet tooth, Richard, because tonight I'm going to talk about 2 desserts and 1 savoury dish, all of which honour female performers. And all 3 were created by the one gentleman, and he was the father of French cuisine. His name was Auguste Escoffier, and he worked in the Savoy Hotel in the 1800s. Now, clearly he was taken by the female form and the bravura of female performance, because he created not just toast Melba, or Melba toast, which is like a crisp bread, but also peach Melba, which is this lovely peach dish where the peaches have been poached in sugar syrup, and named both after our own Dame Nellie Melba, who of course was a touring Australian soprano at that period. And the other one, there was a French actress by the name of Suzanne Reichenberg. And again, Auguste started mixing his potions and put together these very thin pancakes with orange-flavoured liqueur drizzled over them, sometimes cetellite. And I'm sure you know that I'm talking about crepe Suzette, which actually honours that French actress, again, from the father of French cuisine.
Classic dish and absolutely delicious. It does smell good from here. Thank you, David.
Pleasure.
Let's have a look at those scores. Chris is on 6 points, Howard is on 21, and we're heading for some more letters game with Howard to choose.
Thanks, Lily. Could I please have a consonant?
Thanks, Howard. T.
And another consonant.
M.
And another consonant.
D.
And another consonant.
N.
And a vowel, please.
E.
And a vowel.
A.
And a vowel.
E.
And a consonant.
C.
And a vowel.
And lastly, A.
And I'll start the clock. Howard, how many for you that time?
5, Richard.
Chris?
6.
Let's start with your 5.
Dance.
And Chris?
Decant.
Decant.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Lovely. Obviously, I inspired you there, Chris, with the talk of kitchens and Paris Savoy. And decant is perfectly fine for 6. Well played. And I also went with a little bit of an aromatic kitchen flavour with an 8, emanated. E-M-A-N-A-T-E-D, meaning to give off, often a fragrance.
Very impressive, David. And well done to Chris, another 6. Rolling on with the letters, and Chris, what would you like?
Lily, I'll have a consonant, please.
Thanks, Chris. B.
And a vowel.
I.
And a vowel.
U.
And a consonant, please.
S.
And another consonant, please.
H.
And another.
S.
And a vowel.
A.
And a consonant.
D.
And a vowel.
And lastly, E.
30 seconds on the clock. How many did you end up with, Chris?
6.
And Howard?
6.
OK, let's start with you, Howard.
Dashes.
Chris?
Bushed.
Couple of nice ones, David.
Well done, and you're not playing that way at all, Chris, nor Howard. Excellent 6s, and an 8 that is lying there is disabuse, which means to free from an impression.
Very nice work, David. And excellent work from Chris and Howard too. 6 points each. Let's navigate through some numbers now. And Howard, would you pick a combination for us, please?
Thank you, Richard. Lily, could I please have 4 small numbers and 2 larger ones?
Thanks, Howard. That's 2 large and 4 small. And our numbers 6, 5, 2, 3, and 150. The target to reach is 338.
Let's chase the target. Well, Howard, how close did you get?
330.
330, that's within our scoring range. You're within 10 of the target. Chris, what about you?
339, Richard.
339?
Yes.
OK, just 1 off the target, so tell us how you got there.
OK. I have 3 times 100, Lily, equals 300.
3 by 100 is 300.
Plus the 50.
Add the 50,
Minus the 5.
which is 350. Minus the 5 is 345.
And minus the 6 for 3.
Minus the 6 is 339.
So, well done, Chris. Only 1 away from the target. Lily, you can take us straight there, I'm sure.
I can, and I'll talk you through it. And just to give you a bit of insight, when I first saw this number, I always try to round up or round down to the nearest 50 or 100. So my first instant thought when I saw the target number was 350, 12 away from 350. How can I do that? So I did just as Chris did to get up to 350. I need 12. I've got a 2 and a 6, so 2 by 6 is 12. Take that away is 338.
Nice work, Lily. And very nice work from Chris as well. 7 points. So that now means that the scores are very close indeed. Only 2 points the difference. Chris, 25. Howard on 27. As we head for another break and another word mix for you. Cafe sort. And this time the clue is, I predict a sunny answer with no showers. See you after this.